Friends around the world, and welcome again to my channel. Today we will study direction in Darija in an easy video, simple to understand with a lot of homework to do. So first we have some direction words that we will study together. The first, if I want to say the right, liman, liman. The left, lisar, lisar. There is another way as well to say it. By saying on the right hand على يدك اليمين, or on the left hand على يدك اليسار. The middle also have two ways to say is الوسط, الوسط, or center, like the center, center. To make a turn is, or the turn like the word itself is door. Turn like this is door la, door la. Go ahead or go directly is sir nishan, sir nishan. It's also like go is the verb sir, ahead or directly is nishan. Roundabout, and it's important to say direction, is a rond-point, rond-point. It's like French, le rond-point. And in Darija, we say it with a specific saying is rond-point, rond-point. Okay, now let's go to this small homework. So I will explain the homework in quick. So I'm going to the train station. La gare is like French word. And for the house is dar, dar. غنمشي لاغار, غنمشي لاغار. I'm going to the train station. So I want you to write how I'm gonna do that. You have some directions, roundabout, and to go. You're gonna see a garden, and the garden is jarda, jarda. Okay. Then you're gonna see the bank. The bank is la banca, la banca. Okay. You're gonna see this where it's coming right now. So then you see just the flesh and write what is it like flesh remain, or as you see in the picture how the person gonna go in the comments below. Thank you so much. See you guys, and slama.